To me, negotiations is literally something we do from the moment we get up in the morning to when we go to sleep at night, right? From what you're going to wear to, the negotiations with your kids and the breakfast, the putting them to bed, your significant other, parents, yourself, throughout the day, big decisions that you're making. And so it's sort of like the soundtrack of our lives. And I loved sort of the power behind that, because the minute I would realign this notion of what negotiations is from my perspective is to really be able to navigate those daily conversations and those daily decisions, in addition to some of those other sort of the transactional conversations. But it's so interesting. It's like this elegant dance that we do all the time. And sometimes it's easier than others and sometimes it's not, but it's just life.